Hazaras just Persians mixed with the Chinese? No. Although many make that comparison due to Afghanistan being between Iran and China, and Hazaras having a mixed East Asian and South Central Asian appearance, yet the Hazaras, one of the most unique and most persecuted groups in Afghanistan. See, although Hazaras currently speak Persian and also have a lot of Iranian influence on culture, down to their religion being Shia Islam, where they differ from others is that their origin is actually Mongolian. Hazaras descend from Mongol tribes that settled in the area during the Ilkhanate era when Mongols controlled the region. However, since then, they have admixed considerably and aren't a pure Mongolic population as witnessed by their language loss. On average, roughly speaking, Hazaras derive about a half of their DNA from medieval Mongols, and the other half ancestry is derived from a combination of medieval Turks and medieval Eastern Iranian-speaking populations such as Khwarezmians, Bactrians, and Sogdians. So if you attempted to oversimplify their origins using modern populations, it would be more accurate to say that they're a mix of Mongolians and Pashtuns with some minor Turkmen and Tajik input as well. Now you won't need to embarrass yourself when asking,